Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken nuggets, a very favorite snack. For that I have taken some few pieces of chicken, salt, black pepper. This is 2 eggs, a little white flour or maida, and crushed cornflakes. So first I am going to add this salt. You can add this as per your taste. Now to this I will add black pepper powder. You can even add ginger garlic paste if you want. So just mix it well. You can leave this for marination for at least half an hour. Now I will shallow fry this in oil. So for that first I will take this piece, dip in egg, then white flour, and then cornflake. Turn it. Chicken takes less time to cook. Again turn it. Our chicken nuggets are ready. You can serve this hot with tomato ketchup.